Bhindi ka salan. Salan means a curry or gravy. This salan is the famous biryani ka salan that is served in restaurants in Hyderabad with biryani. This salan has an amazing unique taste and flavor. It is sweet, it is sour, it's nutty in taste. In Hyderabad, biryani is said to be incomplete without salan. So you can imagine, salan is the other half of biryani.
Hi everybody, I'm Soumya here.
Hi, I'm Satya here.
Welcome to Desilicious Kitchen.
Do not forget to subscribe to our channel Desilicious Kitchen and press the bell icon for notifications. So now let us see how to make bhindi ka salan. First, we have heated a little oil, say about 2 teaspoon oil in a pan. When the oil is hot, we have added in 1 small cinnamon or dal, 2 green cardamoms or ilaichi, 2 cloves or lavang, 1 very small piece of nutmeg or jaifal, dhania or coriander seeds 1 tablespoon, half teaspoon methi seeds, half tablespoon cumin seeds or jeera, half a cup of white sesame seeds or safed til, half a cup moongfali or peanuts, and half a cup dry coconut grated. Now let us roast all these ingredients on a very low flame. Roast until the grated dry coconut and the nuts turn golden in color. So now we have done roasting, we have switched off the flame, and let us now transfer it to a plate to cool down. And once the ingredients have cooled down, we have taken them in a mixer jar and blended them to a smooth paste, adding water little by little. This paste should be really smooth. And now let us add enough oil to deep fry the okras or bhindi. These are 250 grams, 1/4 kg okras. We washed them, we dried them, and then just chopped off the ends. We have to deep fry the okras only until they are just slightly softer. We do not want to change the color of the okra. We don't want to brown them. So now we are done with the okras, and now in hot oil we have added in 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, half teaspoon methi seeds or fenugreek seeds, and 1 teaspoon jeera or cumin seeds. 2 red chilies broken. Now after a few seconds we have added in 2 teaspoon curry leaves or kadhi patta. And now let us add in the sliced onions. We have sliced 2 onions, 2 medium sized onions. And now let us stir until the onions change color. We do not want to brown the onions. The onions have changed color, and now we are adding in 1.5 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Give it a good stir until the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes. This should take about a minute. Now we are done. Since our pan is very small, we are transferring it to a bigger vessel. Now let us add in half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder. We have given all the ingredients in the description box too. And now we are adding in the ground paste. Let us mix it well for about a minute, and then now we are adding in water. We have added water to the mixer jar in which we ground the paste. Generally this salan is very diluted, but you can adjust the consistency as you want. Now let us add in some salt and the green chilies. 2 slit green chilies we have taken. Now let us cover and cook the salan for at least 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, now let us add in tamarind juice. We had soaked 1 big lemon sized tamarind and extracted juice from it. Now we have added in coriander leaves and we are adding in jaggery. Let this also boil for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, now we have added in the okra that we fried. Mix it well, and now let us cover and cook this for just 3 to 4 minutes. And then let it sit like that for 10 minutes closed to infuse all the aroma and flavor. And then let us serve it. Bhindi or okra, as you know, tastes very good in a sour gravy. And in South, we have many recipes of okra in tamarind gravy. Just look at that. How yummy it looks. Today we are having it with pulao. We'll be putting the recipe on our channel very soon. You can have this salan with even plain rice. Why? It may go well even with rotis, pulao, khichdi. It's just too yummy. You must give it a try and give us your feedback here. Bye for now. Take care. See you soon with another video.